issue that can happen. You're taking off a lock and you want to put in a new lock. So the holes don't line up. See, these 3 holes are actually in a vertical alignment. And this one, you actually go in a horizontal alignment, right? Goes in that way. Now, I've seen people do it this way, and look, I don't like it. I think it's a stupid thing to do. It looks stupid. It also, there's nothing to stop it from twisting around. When you put it in this way, the latch has holes, and they fit in, and that way they can't twist. So, now the common issue is how are you going to make that hole bigger? Now you have to make it bigger. The standard size is 54mm. So what I do, there's 2 methods. I have a jig which you can just put in there, and then that'll go in there, and that'll hold the drill bit, the auger. Or you can reuse the old latch if you're not going to use it again. It's simply, you can just reuse that. Okay. And then that will hold it. It won't hold it super tight, so you've got to be a bit careful if you're going to do it this way. And then so you go about a little way in until you get a nice seat seated in there. You don't want to go all the way through. In where you've already made the holes, starting nice and slow. Goes through, and then you get a nice little cookie.